Monet to inside your friend, team my friend Chelsea. And it's a game, I'm sure, pass. There are many variations in our game. We when I'm for person my game we. And one of that, yes. And one of that variations, no. And what I'm on that screen you see, Jude Bellingham, Enzo Fernandez, and then one other player, branch a friend, can I say João Felix. These are the three reasons why in so what game now we game be. Never game no, Papa. So first these two teams are. This is the first time Omushia ever Champions League game. This is the first time Omushia. But so check your more recent records are. Near Chile, take my friend on Borussia Dortmund. This is the last 5 games. All wins. Omo win our last 5 games, you know. Including some Omo ball was Segna Iduna Parker. They are quite favorite home stadium. No, Omo winning games. So you compare them against my friend Chelsea. Chelsea so last 5 games with only 1 win, 3 draws, and a Malusu Bako against Fulham. Beapa. So we 2 teams now. Take my friend Borussia Dortmund and lose to any of their last 8 games. Dortmund won't lose to be. I can't take it to my friend Chelsea. Chelsea for in the last 8 away games no almost on team winning be. And they are playing against him and winning the last 8 matches and the team in the last 8 away games no almost on team winning be. And tiapa a difficult game for our friend Graham Potter and then the team my friend Chelsea coming into this game. Papa, straight away in line up no. This is the lineup I may expect 2 teams to win about because South for Chelsea said yeah Kepa that go post na bosso. So Kepa will be in goal post. About the fan of Benoit Bediashile, you register and can Champions League list and Kalidou Koulibaly is back into the defense of team friend Chelsea. On the about the friend Thiago Silva plays at the back. Reece James and Benjamin Chilwell and a Macam who actually. In the midfield no, you have Enzo Fernandez, Mateo Kovacic and a branch friend of João Felix leading the attack. The reason why in terms of João Felix, Ebeka Enzo, and Kovacic who went fifth run say Felix is one player. The case will be linking the midfield and the attacker. What Chelsea and saying the last 2 games for Chelsea no on the team here Manapa. And when he's in the team, or more team need more fluidity, or more team need game need flow kakra, or more time quite and more me pass ball because he's quite good on the ball and is a can baller. So see ball and my football yakono. So I'll pick a bunch of fun Enzo ahead of Mason Mount in that midfield. Unless a bunch of fun of João Felix ahead of Mason Mount in the midfield for team friend Chelsea, Mikhailo Mudryk, Ziyech and Kai Havertz. The reasons why they say team friend Dortmund ever open football. I want to say Fulham. I want to say Crystal Palace. I want a team they'll open the game and they will allow you to play. And in a game like that, no, I'm expecting a better for the Mudryk to flourish. Because in the game I have BMD, when you're crying, I say animal Nimo, ultimate the ball to the ultimate the ball running now. And see who's will be Callum Mudryk because this will be an open football. And yes, a PG football on board and run. Very, very open football. Hakim Ziyech at one side. Then I brought a fan of João Felix. So yes, our spaces now. When you're crying in the Juma Ope. The only Adiaka is a branch of Hakim Ziyech. Any chances now on one tungu. Because and then Chelsea will create chances. Because it's an open game for 2 teams now. And I trust João Felix Obey Selgman in creating those chances for team my friend of Chelsea. Papa, so I got my friend Borussia Dortmund. That's how they also line up. Goalkeeper my friend Gobel, Ebeda goal post room. About the friend Rafael Guerrero, Schlosterbeck, Nicolas Sula, any Wolf. Actually, for team my friend, I can say Borussia Dortmund. In midfield, the former Liverpool man, Emery Chan, Ebeda the best of the midfield. About the friend Oxan, any the Jude Bellingham, the guy on form. They say, Ebe come who in midfield, Karim Adeyemi, Sebastian Haller, and Julian Brandt. Ebe journey more than my friend Borussia Dortmund. Papa, no question me home, they say. As said Chelsea for two games, no more than saying their big problem is how to operate in the midfield and how to keep the midfield calm. You know, I'm expecting Jude Bellingham to be the orchestrator for team my friend Borussia Dortmund. So on your ball now, about finding spaces around a branch here, your friend Mateo Kovacic and Enzo Fernandez. Because the question I want to say, I could have wait and I say a test case at the Premier League side because we go Premier League now. Chelsea for Epe, Liverpool Epe. Man City Epe, Man U Epe, and they all go against an English Premier League side. And a gamer when they can flourish against Man City in the group stages. And that will be a second test case of my friend Jude Bellingham playing against him, their friend Charles. And I think say, me where Benty will give man disappointed me that. And then between João Felix and our friend Jude Bellingham, no, me penny pobet my self power in midfield. And that's the reason why I think said this game will be around them. Brapa, so for Chelsea for attack now. Dortmund for attack and Chelsea for the end. because you will pick Abante Fan Mudrik, Ziyech and Kai Havertz, but you will pick Karim Adeyemi. Watching the Champions League with team friend Red Bull led Salzburg. In the Champions League, he's one person with Michel goals. The last year's Champions League top scorer, Sebastian Haller, LED attack with Julian Brandt. And the Chelsea for attack, no. So we compare to Bishop Dortmund now. Dortmund for the
yeah, bra Kukurera, because Kukurera mono body and na I serious because this is Kukurera which na game no na Chelsea fans and kasa yem shishiomo. Na o be defending against
Papa and then you Kuku game where there Kuku game and then Benjamin Chilwell said that no
na security man so na wo you
but security man make na cover Benjamin Chilwell say Benjamin Chilwell ko na nimu a say be ababo me kai mu Papa say
ono angaza cover no wi
oh take us we na chairman
okay
Papa and quite a difficult game for two teams Nina but I think say at the Signal Iduna Park and with can say the way Dortmund for ball no me Dortmund for 2 ni kakra as compared to Chelsea because Chelsea for last 5 games. In the last 3 games, got draw and that shows you how difficult this game will be for team of Chelsea. And one person, medical can say, and I didn't be seen in Soprano. I am Joao Felix. Because what's about me? I orchestrated team of Chelsea for or more attack no. But some say kind of it's a test case for Abante friend Jude Bellingham.
Okay.
Because time I hear
yeah, and you say your test case is out no. Enti ya wena yetimi etumu na mo smart ni awese ni a yebesi aye no okay yankwe na me fi say
so papa anna ye press conference ni na Graham Potter guso odi nkomo for Jude Bellingham ho saa because ya Chelsea for asoma one of amu media men apa e fa na match law say onko sha say na afei oni aba o sha say mfa admintum say Chelsea for guso omo Jude Bellingham enti ne yete ye ne say Chelsea for ewrem I knew almost so episode mo build 100 million nibi. Okay. Eric Ma Brante a friend of Jude Bellingham. I mean, and upper, and yes, I'm get what. This one case, a guso in a guso coso, and that is water, a fat Jude Bellingham on song. But the question may open this upper. So, over our game, we are. 2 people that should be very, very careful about. I yes, I depend you anyway. Karim Adeyemi and Abante Sebastian Haller. Last in the Champions League, these 2 players created, like I said, they scored over 15 goals in the Champions League. Sebastian Haller and Kwampu. And now he's back into the team and he's back into the fold. The way about the friend can do Koulibaly. And then about the friend no Thiago Silva bet me up game now round this guy no. And I bet the chance with my winning game now. But as a sports analyst, so me race our game we are. Me wave towards Dortmund kakra. Because I think say Dortmund for home records in the last 5 games someone winning na. In the last 5 games so can competition someone winning na. Compared to Chelsea and how Chelsea football mo no. I think say I will go for a double chance for Tima and for Borussia Dortmund. Maybe a win or a draw for Tima and for Dortmund. Chelsea fire idea in this game, it will be a draw.
Okay. Chelsea
for the first game,
yeah.
Or my idea game we is going to be a draw in this game.
Yeah.
Papa, the last game, just referee no be the game no.